Look, y'all. This is my confessional. Somebody asked me if I need help. Blink if I need help. Hi everyone, welcome back to Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today, you can see I am not alone. I have taken some very willing participants for today's video because we have a very exciting news. It's exciting for everybody. All three of us are releasing planners and journals for this season. So you guys know last year I released a series of planners for upcycling to help you guys get your upcycle journey started, continue it, actually get those projects done. You guys loved it, so I want to make sure that we did it again. So we are doing it again. And not only am I doing it, but Tiara and Kayshell are doing it as well. So the Upcycle Planner for 2024, I am super excited about it because this year I am actually going to give you guys some inspiration along the way. So the feel of it is almost like a magazine. No matter whether you have it in print or you bought the digital download, it's gonna be super like aesthetic and just give you inspiration for your upcycle journey to come. So it is kind of like a travel planner, but for upcycling. So it's your upcycle journey for 2024. For the first quarter, we're talking about secondhand. It's titled Secondhand Safari because you and I both need to take a safari into our closets. I do not want to hear the peanut gallery. We need to take a safari into our closets to clear out some stuff and, get us ready for 2024, which we do need to make a date to do that.
Mm-hmm. Before 2024.
Before 2024.
It's a jungle.
Jumanji Part 2. It's giving Lost in Jumanji.
It's bad, y'all. We're going to go through. We're going to look at all the stuff that we should bring to the office. Anything that's not coming to the office, they can have, or we'll redonate it because it needs to be taken care of.
Stuff that has not even been touched since the day she bought it because it's still in the bag with the receipt. Stuff that we already had here, why is it at home too?
Yes. So needless to say, secondhand safari is what we're going to do. Then in March and April, we're going to go into DIY accessories. I think if you've never done upcycling, that's a great place to start. And even if you have done upcycling, then, DIY accessories is always some of my favorites. And I do include links, QR codes for the links to the tutorials of the things that I'm using to inspire you guys. So if you want to go directly there to make those things or find examples of things to make, then you can do that. And then, of course, we have to go into t-shirts. Who doesn't love upcycling t-shirts? T-shirts are some of the easiest things to upcycle. We can do that in the early summer. And then behind that, of course, you have to do denim. And there's so many things you can do with jeans. And then after that, we can talk about the runway rendezvous, where you are taking inspiration from the runway and using that to inform or to inspire you for your next upcycles. Then lastly, we're going to end off the year adventures in outerwear. And those are some of my favorite projects because fall is my favorite, where you can layer and you can do coats, you can do blazers, you can do trench coats, just so many things you can do with the things that you find in the thrift store, or even better yet, the things that are in your closet. And then of course, in between there for the actual planner, we have the pages that are for your upcycle project. So those other pages that I just talked about were more of the pages just to inspire you. Those are kind of the extras. But of course, just like last year, I have the pages that are going to take you through your journey and help you to accomplish your upcycle goal. It's once again, just like last year, I do have the human figures that you can use to do your sketches as well. And we have them in as many body types as I can find. So I hope you guys are excited about that. And I think I'm also going to try to re-up the planners from last year and just update those. So if you're interested in that, just see the link to that in the description box and you can go ahead and buy that for 2024. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. We actually have a jam-packed schedule with the three of us in it. I don't even know if Shell knows the plan. You know the plan. We talked about it the other day. So we have a lot of plans, but this one involves the three of us doing more thrift challenges. one per month. And it's going to be based on popular or epic movies, TV shows, cartoons, different things like that, pop culture. So we're going to do one a month.
You know you're wrong for putting that out there. Now we gotta do it. No cheating this time, please.
What would be cheating?
We gonna get the rules settled before we start this time, because I'm not. Yeah, we need to make some rules.
All right, we're gonna have clearly defined rules so nobody is upset. Yes, and trying to quit this time.
Too many people in the comments. She brought a pattern.
Okay. So definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what we do next. All right, back to the video.
All right, so I'm not necessarily doing a planner, which although it would make sense because I know people who love planners, but me necessarily, I've never been a planner person. I'm more of a journaling kind of person, and I always buy a lot of spiral notebooks because when I'm sketching or doing whatever, I like to take notes. But I want to do something a little bit different now. I am making just simple, journals where you can just pretty much just let it all out, and then, whatever you're thinking, whatever you're going through, you just put it in there. And it's totally up to you what you want to journal. So I do have 2 of those that I've made already. But the main one that I'm working on is a manifestation planner. And that's pretty much if you're in a point in your life where you simply know you can't go back to the past. So you're in a position in a season in your life where it's time to elevate it and go to a higher level. One that you've always wanted to go to, things you've always wanted to accomplish. And you're at a point where you're tired of just simply wanting those things, desiring those things. You want to fully exist and live fully in that reality that's what your life is now. So the manifestation planner is pretty much aligned to one, it's also a journal as well because you want to, as I say, paint the picture in detail. You want whatever it is that you want for your life, even if it's the smallest thing, like a certain goal you have at work, write it in detail, write your feelings, write what you're thinking, write your concerns. But each section of it, there's different departments of your life: love, finances, your career, what kind of success you want for yourself. What do you consider yourself to, what do you look like as your best self? What does success in your life look like? What are the things that you would consider for yourself in order to say, I'm successful? What are the things you want out of love? What are the things you want out of life in general? What do you want to elevate about yourself? So there's spaces for you to put in your goals so that way you can look at it and say, okay, I did that, and those things did come to fruition. Those things did manifest and come into play into my life. So you have that to look back at, so that way you're not just kind of wandering in like a sea full of dreams and desires, that you have like a map of like, these are the goals, these are the things I want to accomplish and want to manifest. There's also affirmations in there because it's very big to speak and pour into your self positivity and all the things that you want for yourself, mind, body, and soul. So before you can see them, you have to envision it in your mind. You have to say it to yourself as if it is already here and real. Granted, you can, me for one, when I think about manifestation, I gotta have the Lord involved because I'm a Jesus girl. I just gotta, that's just how I am. So I incorporate that with prayer. So you do have that space to incorporate and write prayers along with that as well, because for those who worship anyway, you have a higher source to where you sing your desires to. So you writing your manifestations is pretty much like the write it out and make it plain kind of thing. So it's for you guys, for those of you who want to know you want certain things in your life and you know that you can't sit on the sidelines anymore, so you want to make those things happen. So that's what the manifestation planner is about.
Okay, so I am making an outfit planner because I'm very organized when it comes to planning outfits. I like to have my outfits ready. Like I plan stuff maybe months in advance. So I wouldn't even know where I was going, but I would have an outfit plan. But anyways, this is for the people who may struggle with planning outfits so that you can have it organized already. So this planner, it comes with all of the regular planner things, but it's also will include a shopping list. So at the top of the year, if you know, like if you like me and you already got stuff in your head like, oh, they dropped this, I want to buy this, you put that on your shopping list. And you put the price, and then when you get it, you can check it off. Each month will also have like goals, whether you just want to put your regular goals or like your fashion goals. I have a space for that. And then for each week, it'll be like a weekly outfit planner. So if that week you have somewhere important to go, like an event or something, you can plan out the outfit. Or if you just want to plan out all your outfits for the week for work, like if you want to start dressing nice, going to work, that I want to try. I want to try to come to work looking nice next year.
Is that our goal for 2024?
It could be, but let's not put it
Yeah.
let's not put it in
Put it in
writing
writing
yet. So right, I'm gonna try to brush my hair more.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my. So yeah, I have the weekly outfit planner for like each week. You can like take pictures and like drag it to the calendar, put it in the calendar, or you can just write it out like red top, blue pants, whatever. And then I also have for each month it'll be an event outfit planner. So if you're going to an event or if you have events for that month, you can put in your outfits for those events, have them already planned.
That's nice.
And also if you're traveling, if it's like a travel, I have the vacation outfit planner as well. So you'll be able to plan your vacation looks, and then it'll come with a checklist. So when you're packing, for the first day, make sure you have your top, your pants, your bags, your accessories for the first day, second day, third day, fourth day. I have all of that. Also, for each month, I have a budget tracker because, like, I need to do better with my budgeting because 75% will go to thrifting and clothes and stuff. But also, like, if you have stuff on your shopping list that costs a lot, you can budget it out and make sure you got everything that you need to get what you want. And then also, I worked on 2 projects at the same time. I created a guide to creating a sustainable fashion brand. That one's very long and very detailed. So my guide to launching your sustainable fashion journey, it'll include, I'm just gonna go through the contents. It'll be an introduction. 2 will be understanding your brand, setting sustainable goals, ethical sourcing and production, designing for sustainability, green packaging and shipping, how to engage with your audience, marketing your sustainable brand, collaborations and partnerships, and measuring your success. There'll be an interview included in that featuring.
Oh, my interview?
Yes. Yes. And then lots of other resources and reading.
So you can find all of these planners and guides and journals the links are in the description box below. So definitely go check those out. It seems like we have everybody pretty much covered for this year. So if you have any goals, any dreams this year, we got you covered. So definitely go check those out. If you have any suggestions for us, either for the planners and journals or for our monthly thrift challenges, let us know in the description box below. We have a few of the months planned, but not all of the months. So we are definitely open to suggestions. You guys love the last ones. And as always, you guys know that we have a ton of other videos, upcycle tutorials for you to watch. So definitely click those, as well as some of our Bloopers signature vlogs. So definitely check those out. We are no good together. So I don't know if we can sit here together and be serious. So we'll see you.
I can be serious.
So we'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Bye.
I got a C- in public speaking, by the way.
Beyonce's team be watching people.
I'll pass out.
Come on, put on your Sasha Fierce.
The words are not coming out. Stop watching me.